Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka hanyo trip youth council kalashim da karai ban pa ya ukurwa ubashai. No ILP, no rest. Haga Sngi bau Amit Shah ubadai menteri ketenat ki kampo ying jong ke sorkar pedeng. Unwan Ïuhkjat haga ni ganong ba Shillong haga arpu sao tarik ubanai naitung arajar arpuway. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor u presiden jong ke HYC usamla Robert Jun Karjarin. Ulaong ngin sange ban Pynsawa ya kene kasur tat hadu bau Amit Shah unda ai ke airline permit ya ke jela Meghalaya. Ulaong ru baga jingya ki bat ka jingdawa jong ki pait ba nong song snong jong kene ke jela Meghalaya kan sakut no tat hadu bau Amit Shah utsapan bena bala ai ya ke airline permit.
They said it's that no ILP no rest, which means we will not stop until unless you grant us ILP or the agitation, the people movement of the state of Meghalaya will end only when you grant ILP. That is our stand has become our stand, has become our slogan. It has become everybody's stand. It is the stand of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Meghalaya Legislative Assembly also say no ILP, no rest. If you look at their resolution. So our stand is very clear, simple, no ILP, no rest, and we would like to see that the Honorable Union Home Minister will respect that, and I'm very confident that Meghalaya will get ILP, and we have prepared to meet him. We have already write letters. Of course, we have not get any official confirmation. We have already write a letter requesting for an appointment. It's not begging, but seeking an appointment, and we are mentally prepared to to have a lengthy discussion with him. I would like to request that if he give permission or if he give appointment, let's give a good quality time, because this issue cannot be just discussed in 10 or 15 minutes. It need proper and I request everybody to remain united, to have the faith, and I hope that as I see, we will get ILP no matter what. The fact that the central has ignoring the NGO, it is also a fact that the Union Home Ministry take a lot of time to settle these matters, but it is also a fact that different CSO and different group has different approach to any issue. So I respect the opinion given by the HNLC, but I do feel that we have different approach to different issue. HNLC has a different approach, we also have a different approach, and for the other organization I can't give any comment because they also have a different policy, a different approach, a different way of functioning. So I respect the opinion given by the HNLC, but as we say that we seek appointment, we do not beg for anybody to give to meet us. But at the end of the day, we seek appointment because meeting with anybody, I think, need to be seek appointment for any meeting. When we meet any person, maybe the CEO officer, whatever, sometimes we seek certain of permission because I do feel that is a moral way of doing it. I just cannot go to my house or neighbor without asking permission to enter them. So I do feel it's a moral obligation. I can say it's merely a moral obligation to seek appointment before meeting anybody. That's at least is my point of view, because I do feel that if I meet somebody, I need to seek permission and seek appointment. Otherwise, he may be too busy on that day. I just cannot go and meet them. So I respect the opinion given by the HLC, but as I say, the different group has different policy and different strategy to reach into a solution. I do sincerely believe that HNLC has expressed in so many times that they also want ILP. We also want ILP. We have fought for it for a very long time. There's a lot of neutral people who want for ILP, and let's remain united. Let's remain united. We urge everybody in the New Trap Committee to remain united. And the moment we remain united, I think the government of India will grant us ILP.